In this video, I am going to explain what is an Internet Protocol address, shortly known as an IP address. We will use IPv4 in this course. Another version of IP address specifications, IPv6, is relatively new and catching up these days. An IP version 4 address is basically a group of 4 8-bit numbers. I repeat again, an IPv4 address is a group of 4 separate 8-bit numbers. The total length of an IP address is 32 bits. Each number in this group can have a value between 0 to 255. When printing an IP address, the 4 numbers are separated by dots to make an IP address easily readable. This method of printing an IP address is called the dotted decimal notation.